everybody is doing just great. You know, guys, this morning I have to get ready to head out because I have to have my oil changed and get brakes put on the car. I can just hear cha-ching, cha-ching. But anyway, you know, I told you that here during the month of January, it gets pretty cold. Well, this morning, it's there. It's 36 degrees out. So anyway, I remembered that I used to do Sassy Inspiration. You know, those little style tidbits that I would give you how to pull your outfit together before you leave out. I thought, why not today? So this morning, I have on just a gray sweater that I got from Dillard's Clearance Center a while back. And I feel kind of like I contradict myself sometimes because I found these skinny jeans at Belk. But wait till you see how much I paid for these. I couldn't leave them on the rack for 12 bucks. And then I just paired them with the patent leather black boots with the gray fur. And so I'm going to show you just how I kind of sass this up before I head out. And here we go. As you guys know, I don't really like to put on a heavy coat, so I've just put my dark gray shawl. I found this scarf several months ago, like at the beginning of fall. Remember, from Stein Mart. Has light, medium, and dark gray in it. So therefore I put on my light gray earrings to kind of balance everything out. And you know it, you know, you guys know I have gloves to match. But anyway, I just put on some black and silver jewelry. And I don't know where I got these gloves from, probably TJ Maxx or Marshall's. But they kind of blend right in with the light and dark gray. And so here we go. That's how you just pull everything together. I've got the dark gray sweater, black jeans, black boots with the gray trim, and black and gray accessories. It's almost time for my appointment. I made a reservation. I don't know why I do that every time, but anyway, it's at 10:30. It's 10 o'clock now. It takes me about 20 minutes to get there, so I need to head out the door. Anyway, this is just a little style inspo. Also, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I've got places where my wreath, my garland was hanging and it was pretty heavy. I thought those command strips were supposed to eliminate that. But anyway, I've got paint pulled down, so I've got to go to Home Depot, get some spackling and sandpaper and do some handyman stuff. But anyway, that's not why you're here. You're here for the Sassy Style Inspiration Minute, which has gone way past a couple of minutes. But anyway, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up for this video if you like these kind of little sassy style inspos. Also, if you are not subscribed, please make sure you tap the subscribe button down below. It's red. Hit it. And then after that, make sure that you tap the notification bell. And when it turns gray, give it a tap for all. And that way you'll always be notified. So until next time, guys, you know, always make sure that you keep it sassy, stay warm, gotta go.